let me show you another item for the visible sliding door doors. We sell the Middle East market very much. Sell many. And for this one, this the bottom lowers. And let me show you this one for upper lowers. And we have the capacity is for 50 to 60 kilogram. Is also is good capacity, I think, because different floors is much lighter. And for the panel thickness, because some customer were interested want to know the panel thickness. For this panel thickness is for 18 mm. 18 mm. Needs more than 18 mm. Also, I want to show another upload because we have different match. This one the bottom low, right? And we have another one. This one also can one set. This the different uploads. So this one we have the two different. If you need this one set, it's okay. And if you need this set, it's okay. Also, I want to show you this lowers is very big. It's bigger than normal lowers because it's the diameter is 15.2. Now in the market, let me show you. This one is 52. Now market many for 45. So this one is very big, and so the capacity is heavier than that one. Also, we have this spring, right? You can see the spring to the can adjust. Wait a minute. With spring for both sides to can adjust the screw height. Let me show you. And this one you can adjust the height. You see? Wait a minute. 怎么这样？ You see this height up and down. And we have this spring is to the function is to make it more fixed on the rear wheel, so can not move on the rear. This function. Let me show you the aluminum track. We have 3 types aluminum track. You see, these 2 springs. You see, 1, 2. These 2 springs. The function is to make the loads more fit on the profile. No move, no jump from the rear. The function. And also I show you wait a minute. Our up lowers is with the ball bearing you see here. with the Burberry, is more quality is more stable and durable, and can slide smoothly. This one. And this the packing. One set in the poly bag, and then in the inner box. You see, inner box. For this inner box, we can do the colorful. If you need the colorful design, and also come with your logo for the colorful design inner box, and the outer carton is also okay. So it's can make your brand is more famous and beautiful, I think, for it because it has your logo on here. Okay.